How to create and share a new folder in Dropbox. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this All Files option, and then in here you will now see this option Create Folder. What you need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here we can now add a name for our folder. So as an example, I'm gonna type here HR Weekly Update, and then I'm also gonna add an automation. To do that, we'll have to tap on this box here, and then after that, tap on Create. And then here, we'll have to select our automation. As for me, I'm gonna select on this Convert Files to PDF, and then after that, we'll have to tap on the Save option. And as you can see here, a folder is automatically created. In here, we can now start adding or uploading files on our folder. And then if you want to share your new folder, what you need to do is to tap on the Share Folder option, and then in here you'll be given ways on how you can share the folder. You can either tap on this Add People, and then in here you can add an email, or you can simply tap on this Copy Link option and then use that link to share the folder. So that's how easy we can create and share a new folder in Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.